Imagine a world where learning, innovation, and nature thrive together. Regenpreneur began with this vision, empowering communities to design regenerative systems. From aquaponics to AI tools, we harmonize technology and ecology for a sustainable future. Climate change, food insecurity, and automation challenge our world. Regeneration offers hope by restoring life-supporting systems. We blend traditional wisdom with modern tech to help communities thrive while healing the environment. By combining ancient knowledge with cutting-edge technology, we create solutions that nurture both people and the planet. Our approach ensures communities can flourish sustainably, addressing urgent global challenges. Grounded in permaculture ethics, earth care, people care, fair share, our philosophy guides our teaching and design. We connect soil, water, food, energy, and community, asking how systems can give more than they take. Through systems thinking and creativity, we empower learners to see the interconnectedness of life. Our philosophy fosters responsibility and innovation, forming the foundation for a regenerative way of living. Our education is hands-on and relevant, blending theory with practice. The Permaculture Design Certificate teaches students to create thriving ecosystems. Our Kōkiri AI Lab and AwaKai systems integrate technology with ecology. Experience is key. Students learn by doing, building gardens, testing designs, and using digital tools. This approach connects theory to practice, making learning meaningful and transformative. We partner with schools, iwi, and local groups, integrating Maturanga Maori into our designs. By fostering collaboration and inclusion, we empower communities to take ownership of their future. Our projects reflect community values, blending indigenous knowledge with modern innovation. This culturally grounded design strengthens both learning and our sense of place. Our impact is seen across New Zealand, with students transforming gardens and communities embracing renewable energy. Our network of educators and partners drives regenerative change, rooted in hope. Join us in turning challenges into opportunities for regeneration. Whether you're a student, teacher, or parent, there's a place for you. Visit our website, join a course, or connect with a project. Together, we can grow the future we want to live in. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to a sustainable world. Join Regenpreneur and be part of the change.